যত বাঁচাওই থাংখা চিনি আসল দিল্লি সরকারনি চিনি জনজাতি মিনিস্টার ni kok khananani muchunglia abo khub banama sinsa kok tai oro manjak phainai chini boisu melani chobolai bothoni office bearer okra chakra president general secretary jotono ani khatangni hamjamung rohoro tai chini oro manjak phaikha chini purbo tripura Parliament constituency chini Manganang MP Rebati Tripura Mahodoy Bobo chini bagai kok kaham kham sairinani tongkho keto ani jaiti gustiro takhok bukhuro borau jo to bachai thangkha chief minister thangmani loge loge no chief minister no bo kok khara thai chini Delhi ni mantri ni bo kok khara thai chini oro MLA MDC ni rong ni bo kok khara thai samung bahai khe phai samung bahai khe man abo systematic sara ongya Delhi ni Tripura rang riwo protek district of block o rang rok no implement khainai sobo MLA, MDC, MP joto brono siniya khe chung mungsa manani lama koroi takuk bukhoro sarkar ni system bo sinai nango chini kungthai barani tongmung chamung bo sinai nango kungthai barani tongmung chamung kungthai barani bagai kaham chini tongmung chamung chini bagai kaham boini tongmung chamung boini bagai kaham abo pokhe ongla nung ang respect khayakhe nuno ano ke respect khainai koroi kaje chini je MLA MDC ro chini MP chini Delhi ni je jonojati minister phayo aboni kok bo khana nai nangnai takhuro dorkar nangkhe narobo kok saman nai chithi sui man nai agami dino kok lam salai man nai sabo sayakhe jono sobo sinai sobo bujinai sobo nai nai abo toirok bo chini bokhawo tonnai nango takuk bukhuro aboni bagai ang onurut khaimani tini 13 tarik বৈশু কাতাল খানাবো 14 তারিখ খানাবো পালন খাইনাই হরকে ফাইনাই কালচারাল প্রোগ্রাম নাইনানিলে এই মাত কপলুং অংনাই চাগলা আবো সাইমানো আং কিন্তু চিনি যে মন্ত্রী রক এমপি রক তংমানি বরনি কক খানানানিবো মাত কপলুং খাইনানি দায়িত্ব চিনি আবো আং লোকাল MLA নিবাগৈ ও কক আং সাবো I am speaking on behalf of the local constituency and request to attend this meeting also. Now also, we are having Central Minister, Honorable Central Minister, Tribal Welfare Minister, Jal Shakti Minister, which are very much an urgent requirement and needful for the tribal people in Tripura. He is our delegate, he is our minister on behalf of the government of India, but my people is not agree to meet along with our central minister and our honorable MP. It is very unfortunate. I should say as a local MLA, it is very unfortunate. It should not be. My brothers and sisters, I would like to request to you all, you please try to understand and respect MP and central minister also. Takuro Bukuro. Chini Kaisa Manwi Nango most essential needful. Abotama Chini je Tripura District Council. abo more power nango tabok district council ne kono khomata korui tabok district council power tongnai roko rang kore kheta khaimanai broni naimani muchungmani sanmani hai rang maya mungsa development khaimaya rang mangkhe se development khaimanai kajai Chini honorable the tribal welfare minister government of India bono ang kisa sanane muchungo narobo khanadi I would like to appeal to our honorable central minister I mean tribal welfare minister to see the problems for you Tripura tribal relatives we are living here without any prompt development in this village also. Now we cannot repair the road, village link road, this area and others area also, which are interior tribal villages. We cannot repair village road till date. Our government is running more than 4 years. So that I would like to request our honorable minister to look after for this problem. We are having higher secondary school, but this higher secondary school is not good infrastructure. If my interior places education center is not good, why my tribal people will come up be educated? This is big problem. So if we want to uplift and develop my tribal people in Tripura state, we'll look after, we'll consider all needful requirement. We are having district council, yes, but till now district council have no any good fund, have no any official infrastructure. Now district council have no right and power to appoint any employee, any department. He have no recruitment rules till date. And we need existing, we was demand as far as approval by the Tripura cabinet, and we already sent to Delhi, to parliament to approve our demand. I mean, we want Tripura district council will be upgraded 50 seated. We are existing have a 30 seated, including 2% of governor nominee. So now we are demanding, and our state government already approved in the cabinet, and it was sent to the parliament for consideration our demand. The 50 seated will be given for Tripura district council. Otherwise, Tripura district council has no power. And after demanding the finance commission, now finance commission is given FFC fund, lump sum FFC fund. Lump sum FFC fund is not enough for poor and poorest area development. So I would like to request our honorable minister to please see for the fulfill the dream of the Tripura tribal people. That's all. I would like to request our honorable central minister. Takuk bukuro, tai besi kok saya, sini minister of kok sanai.